When we conduct an acid-base titration with a pH meter, we need to create pH titration plots to process our data. These are the three common pH titration plots we need to create to process our data. pH titration curve, well, I should put down pH titration plot. First derivative pH titration plot and second derivative pH titration plot. Now let me teach you how to create these three different types of pH titration plots. As I told you a moment ago, there are three different types of pH titration curves or pH titration plots. For the first pH titration curve, we use the volumes of standard solutions we obtain from the experiment directly as the x-axis. We use the pH we obtain from the experiment directly as the y-axis. For the first derivative pH titration plot, we use volume 2 as the x-axis. I showed you how to calculate volume 2 a moment ago, right? I also showed you how to calculate the first derivative from the original data. We will use the first derivative as the y-axis. For the second derivative pH titration plot, we will use volume 3 as the x-axis. I showed you how to calculate volume 3 from the original data, right? I also showed you how to calculate the second derivative from the original data. We will use the second derivative as the y-axis.